THAR has been able to sustain the strength that it picked up on Wednesday, the 20th of August. After that day, it consolidated for two trading sessions, and today, the 25th, it is up some 6.22% with an intraday high of 9.08%. We haven't seen any fresh news. I think it's still that same old news on Wednesday. The same news about fentanyl and ultrapotent opioids, and the prospects of that of the prospects of TH104 serving as a let's how do they put it again? It's a preventive therapy. I think, yeah. It says here the results have reinforced the potential of TH104 as a prophylactic countermeasure for military personnel and chemical incident responders who may be exposed to high potency opioids, including weaponized fentanyl and its analogs. Yeah. So, amongst other things, the stock is equally trending and drawing intense attention due to high volatility and very low floats and elevated borrowing costs, creating conditions for a potential short squeeze. Online trading communities are actively debating where the stock could head next, with some eyeing aggressive upside targets, while others caution about the risk of sharp corrections. Beyond the trading dynamics, the company's pipeline, yeah, the one I just mentioned now, TH104, a fentanyl countermeasure, is also adding to the dialogue, to the intrigue, as the opioid crisis remains a critical public health issue and potential government funding catalyst. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. This is its 4-hour chart. We didn't review the previous video, but the projections are not projecting anything to the upside. Rather, it is projecting a down projection of 1.46. But we have 9.08. It is an upper projection on this 4-hour chart. The algos are saying that this trend is going to run out by the end of today's trading session, and then maybe attempt to resume the uptrend by Thursday. By Thursday, no, to attempt to resume the uptrend by Wednesday and then peak by Thursday. So all in all, up till the pre-market session of Thursday, up till, if you like, the whole of Wednesday from today, it's just going to be a consolidation. Then by Thursday's trading session, it may be a correction, but these are just extrapolations. Before now, I can imagine that we had the projection, the extrapolation may have been saying that it was going to correct, and look at that, the reverse has just happened. Okay, so let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. Sorry, daily chart. On the daily chart, the reverse is the case. High prices are expected to remain in place up till Wednesday. Nothing, no pullback at all. Yeah, no pullback at all. We don't have anything to the upside. We already mentioned we have 9.08 is the current is the prevailing projection there. Yeah, the stock has not it's not been doing well for some time. So there are no upper projections as such, apart from what we have just been able to see. This rejection here, this intraday high 9.08. Okay, let's see now. We could still refer to the weekly chart. We have some really ambitious projections here. 534.44, which was when was this in place? This was last time it was reiterated was the 21st of August 2023. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. Let's see here. We have 34. Okay, we have, okay, if you like, real world projections here. We have 23.53, 30.55, 34.89. These were in place as of they were in play as of the 13th of May. They are no longer a play at the moment. Yeah, they're no longer a play at the moment. Currently, we have on this weekly chart, okay, 8.32 has been met already. 8.32, 7.25, 5.51, yeah, 6.27. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's the closest to where it is currently now, or rather the highest to where it's currently trading now. So far is 23.53. But we can just jump to the 1 minute chart. We can see the projections there. We can see possible upper projections here. We can see. Let's see what we have. We have 8.55. Yeah, 8.55 is the highest so far. Let's see. There should be projections in between. Yeah, okay. But here we have 9.17, 9.37. So this is these 9.37 now comes after 9.0. I think there's also 9.17 there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 9.17. There's over 9.21, 9.77, 10.12. Yeah. So I should have had a look here before I concluded. 9.66, 9.35, 8.89. Yeah, 11.10, 9.86, 11.10, 11.86. Yeah, let's look at the 2 minute chart. On the 2 minute chart, we have 8.7, 8.57, 8.36. Yeah, okay. Let's see what we have on the 5 minute chart. I don't think we're going to see anything beyond $11. Okay, oh, too soon. I spoke too soon. We have 10.9, 12.56, 13.55. Yeah, yeah. So I spoke too soon. Yes. Yeah, I spoke too soon. Let's see the daily chart, 4 hour chart. Let's see. Price pressure momentums will be seriously amplified. Yes, nothing negative here. Nothing negative here. Nothing negative here at all. Yeah, everything is robustly bullish. Everything is robust in a robust trend mode here. So let's just see how things go. What are the odds that it's going to maintain the strength that it has picked up? Let's see. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.